Parvat Srinivas Reddy, the MD at MTAR Technologies, joining in on the show right now. Mr. Reddy, hi, morning. Good to have you on the show. Help us understand what GE or rather Gee Pee Aerospace actually brings on the board for you. What kind of revenue potential do you think this would bring on the table?
Yeah, good morning. It's basically a MSME company with strategically it makes a lot of sense for MTAR to acquire it. We acquired at a very good price, keeping the defense offset clauses that we have with foreign OEMs, where they get a MSME multiplier of 1.5. And this company has excellent equipment, various facilities which will cater to that for the defense sector. And also, a lot of government organizations, based on the present procurement policy, have 20% of procurement to be done through MSMEs. So, with the MTAR support, this company would really do extremely well, keeping the latest MSME initiatives which Government of India has taken. And that's the reason why we've acquired it, and which will help MTAR also to access to the subsidiary to access to various orders and by the Government of India and as well as the foreign OEMs.
Good morning. This is Nantara also joining in. So that's as far as this acquisition goes. And I know something else the street will want to hear about. MTAR has, increased its guidance for revenues to 50% for this financial year versus the earlier 30-odd%. What are the growth levers? What is giving you this kind of optimism?
We had given the guidance during our last quarterly results itself. Initially, for the current year, for the last year, we had given initially a guidance of 20-25%, which we revised it to 30-35%. We reiterate our guidance both for the last year as well as this year. The main growth drivers are in various sectors, a lot of additional of new customers, new capabilities that are being done right now, new product developments that we are doing. All these areas, along with the domestic sectors, strategic sectors like nuclear, space, all falling in line as per our growth plan. So it's the guidance given was thought for very carefully and given, and we would definitely adhere to those guidance numbers what we had given earlier as well.
We also talk about India's space program. It's expected to post about 7.5% annualized growth. How are you seeing all of this, and what is it going to mean for you?
It means a lot to MTAR because we are involved with space organization ISRO from 1985. We are involved in various of their developmental activities. We continue to supply the Vikas engines, the cryo engines, and various other modules for space. And we are seeing a lot of traction coming from ISRO of late, especially with the new, we have the new chairman for ISRO, Mr. Somnath, who is really taking things forward in an aggressive manner. So we have various projects which we're working on, right from human spacecraft to various launches that we have planned for this year, and that will continue for the future. And further, they are looking at even SSLV launches that's going to happen from ISRO over this year, at least 2-3 launches. Then that's the area where MTAR will really move forward in the area of privatization in the SSLV sector.
As percentage of total sales, where are your R&D costs headed? Where are your R&D costs headed?
No, we always maintain that we spend about 5 to 6 crores every year in R&D, but technically we use a lot of our existing equipment in the process of R&D, some of the existing engineers as well, but we have a separate R&D to do it, and we have successfully developed a lot of import substitute products like roller screws. We are already, DRDO has released the initial first articles order based on the model what we have submitted. And we're also working on the electromechanical actuators. So it's a continuous process in MTAR. Even in the defense, we are working on a lot of systems and subsystems right now, wherever there is an import ban on them. And this company was born basically in 1970 in the area of indigenization. So today we have a lot greater push because of Atmanirbhar, but this company was doing it from the last 50 years as well.
Question is that for a company which has been in existence for so many years, why the real growth is coming now?
See, we have been in existence for 50 years. Primarily, the last 40 years, MTAR was working primarily for the uh, Indian organizations, reputed organizations like ISRO, Nuclear Power Corporation, DRDO, for developing and indigenizing various products. Over the last 7-8 years, we moved into export area just to ensure that uh, a very thoughtful process of building this company to a different level, as we had a great platform built over the years. And that's how the whole change has happened. And that's how we moved into exports, not only in clean energy, but also in defense and aerospace as well. And also we are strengthening our capabilities in different sectors. That's how the growth has moved on because of this basic strategic decision that we have taken over the last 6-7 years.
Mr. Reddy, good to speak with you and congratulations once again on the new acquisition.